So this is our full-size reissue of the ARP 2600. The Korg development team went to painstaking detail to make sure that this is an authentic reproduction of the 2600. They consulted with David Friend, who was one of the original designers of the 2600, with Alan Perlman. And this is a pretty much exact recreation, except that it has the choice of the two filters, the earlier model and the later model filters. And the envelopes have been updated to be a little bit faster, but they're still capable of like the original envelope times with just a little bit of tweaking. We've added a MIDI to CV interface, balanced outputs. There's a real 7-inch ring reverb tank in there, and we added a sequencer to the keyboard arpeggiator and aftertouch. So it has like a SH-101 style sequencer built in, where you can just program in your sequence step by step and play it back, and then transpose it by playing up and down the keyboard. So this is a really faithful recreation of the 2600 for those die-hard analog fans out there, and it's still just as great of an educational tool as the original was.
So now people can get their hands on the original version. They can do it now with this version, right?
Yeah. So this is as close as you're going to get without spending 12 grand on a vintage one.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And how much is this type is going to cost, like the reproduction?
This one is retailing at $399 or $38.99. Okay. Yeah. And dealers have them now. So if you want them, it's probably time to get cracking on it.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem.